Today, we're gonna prep this car from this. What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Paint Society. Today, we're gonna prep this car from this to make it look like this. So stick around. What we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be blending, well, actually preparing for a blend. We're going to be taking off all the parts from the front door. We're gonna be sanding down the primer, and then we're gonna prepare the back for a blend as well. Now, the reason why we blend is because no two colors are ever the same, and you're gonna notice it a lot more on a panel to panel than you would on a bumper, since bumpers reflect light just a little bit differently. So, on the primer areas, which I already fixed, we're gonna go ahead and 320, 400. Everything else is gonna get a 600 to 800 grit sand scratch on the front door, the quarter panel. We're gonna remove all parts, mirrors, pinstripe, everything. So let's get to it right now. Okay, so that's going to complete the prepping process for this Toyota Camry. What we used was 320 on the primer. You saw Mario help out and scuff around the edges. That's an 800 grit gray pad. And we finished the rest of the car with 1000 grit, and then we use the scuff stuff. So, pinstripe is removed. We use the eraser wheel for that. I'm going to show you the eraser wheel right now. This is the eraser wheel. It's pretty much made out of rubber, and it disintegrates along with whatever that you are using it on. And you use it, Mario actually showed me, I was using it wrong. Use it just like this, not across, all right? So if you have a line coming across, a vinyl line, whatever it is, you use it right on top of it, not like that. So we are officially ready for paint. This is part one. It is ready for the booth. Part two will be the paint process. We're gonna put the pinstripe back on and see what it looks like when it's all done. So make sure you tune in for part two. That's gonna do it for Paint Society in this episode. I look forward to seeing everyone.